You can do everything else right, but your garden will still struggle if you don't have it in the right spot. Good soil, good plants, even good advice, but if the location is wrong, you're going to be fighting an uphill battle. So let's start with location. If you're on a new property or aren't quite sure yet, don't rush. Take some time to watch where the sun falls on the property, making note of where the shadows are from buildings, fences, and trees. I've been gardening this plot for over 20 years, but that first season, I didn't grow anything. I just watched and observed, and it's made all the difference. Most vegetables require 6 or more hours of sun a day, direct sun. Morning sun matters more than afternoon shade. And dappled light isn't full sun. So if it feels nice and shady for you, it's not a good place to put your tomatoes. If you're in the northern hemisphere, this means a southern exposure. This is because the sun tracks through the southern sky. North-facing gardens tend to struggle a little bit more. It doesn't mean it's impossible, but you have to really plan what you're doing and perhaps be slightly more intentional. As with many things, there is an exception here. Leafy vegetables, lettuce, Swiss chard, kale, they will do just fine with some dappled shade. But don't expect your tomatoes and peppers to do well in that similar location. Put your garden as near to the house as you can. This means you're more likely to look at it, get out to tend it, and importantly, it means you probably have good access for water. Try to avoid low spots that remain damp, and a small slope on the property, that's okay. Raised beds can help with both of those situations, but what they can help with is sun or shade. So if your yard isn't perfect, that's okay. Just focus on 3 things: sun exposure, proximity to the house, and available water. So before you spend any money, before you build anything, watch the sun. Next episode, we'll talk about raised beds, containers, and in-ground gardening, and help you decide what will work best for you.